Hey there, welcome back to our channel. Today, we are delving into the fascinating world of blurring image backgrounds in Photoshop. But before we start, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell to stay updated with our latest content. Now, let's get started. First, go to Select Option and select Subject. Make it duplicate to press Ctrl+J. Now go to Main Layer and click here. Go back on Main Layer and click on Edit option. Now press OK. Make it duplicate layer to click and drag. Now, go to Filter option, click on Blur and select Gaussian Blur. Adjust the radius and press OK. From this layer, press left click on this icon. Click here and pick black color. Click here and select Gradient tool. Now click here, click on Basic and select Foreground to Transparent. Now hold Shift button and drag like this. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more updates.